Hello everyone, thank you for watching Life with Grizz. I am Grizz, hi. Just want to let you know what we're going to do today. Today is going to be another how-to do. I have this awning right up over there, and I am collecting snow, ice, and water on it. Have you ever had where your awning gets floppy? Okay, I'm going to show you today another good way. I mean, there's a lot of different ways to tighten up your awning. I'm going to show you a couple different ways. I have done some tightening already. I did the noodle thing. The noodle thing seems like it works a little bit, but when you get some heavy snow up here in Montana, like where we are, it seems to build up and make it a little bit floppy down there, right there. And what it does, it pulls up and that snow turns into ice, and ice is much heavier than snow. So I'm going to show you kind of an idea that I came up with. All right, so here's the awning that I have. And the problem that I have is everything's just floppy. I have a lot of loose material here. I tried doing the awning, the noodles here on each corner, and it seemed like it helped on the little minor rain, kind of the mist. So it does help a little bit, but when you get the Montana snow, like we had the last couple days, noodles just don't cut it. But here's what we have. Here's all the loose area that we have. But if you notice up on top, this is a little loose. So if you tighten, let's see, go right here. If you tighten that and lift that up, look how everything tightens up. So what I'm gonna do is show you my idea of how to tighten an easy up. I'm dropping everything. How to tighten up the slack on this easy up here just by doing one thing. All right, stay with me. We'll go ahead and show you. All right, I'm back here. Now, what I'm gonna use is pretty simple. It's a ratchet strap, okay? Forget the pool noodles. The noodles work really good, but you know, like I said, it's just, you know, if you got a little bit of rain, a little bit of moisture, that's basically all it does. But when you get a lot of rain, you get a lot of snow, like we have here, we need to go HD on it, heavy duty, and that's heavy duty. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna ratchet strap just around the top part of that, and we're gonna close those two bars together, that one, bottom one, and then the top one, and we're gonna close them up. So when we close them up, it tightens the edges. No brainer. We'll see if it works. All right, so what I did is I put a ratchet strap around the bottom, and I put a ratchet strap around the top, and all we got to do is crank it up. And it seems like it's working. All right, ratchet strap is in place. It went up probably around 6-8 inches, but look how tight everything is now. More space. It's not even close to being as sloppy as it was before. It's pretty taut. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and readjust my noodles there. But this is gonna make a big difference. It's all because of this guy right here. This was too low and it wasn't tight on top. So a little ratchet strap took care of that. All right, it's good to know these mountain fixes. So hopefully this helps on everyone else, because I know I did a lot of research on this and it just seems like nothing was working out. It had been a simple reason to get this done. All right, and there's the final product. Boom, it works. I'll go ahead and see if it really works, because we're expecting a little bit more snow the next couple days. So we'll see if it does hold off. And if it doesn't hold off, I guess there'll be another video. Enjoy, guys. Thank you so much for watching Life with Grizz. Click on subscribe. Please subscribe. I know we've been growing on that. But big thing is share. Let people know about this. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and do some more how-to videos, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Give me some comments, let me know what you think. All right, Till next time, take care, guys.